Okay, on this one, we are going to need the quotient rule because we have a function, 2t, divided by another function, the natural log of t. So let's get the quotient rule up here. I'm using some abbreviation here, but this is the gist of it. If you've got a function u divided by a function v, then the derivative is going to be v times u prime minus u times v prime all over v squared. And in this case, this would be our u, and this will be our v. So u is equal to 2t, u prime is just 2, v is equal to the natural log of t, and v prime is 1 over t. So then, following our rule, g prime of t would be equal to v, which is the natural log of t, times the derivative of u, which is 2, minus u, which is 2t, times the derivative of v, which is 1 over t. All of this over v, which is the natural log of t, squared. And this we can simplify a little bit because 2t times 1 over t is just going to simplify to 2. So I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm going to put the 2 in front here. So 2 natural log of t minus 2 all over the natural log of t squared. Or if you wanted to factor out that 2, you could say the natural log of t minus 1 all over the natural log of t squared. Voila, the derivative. Let me know if you have questions.